The hire bills approval, head office, HO, process is the step in the approval workflow for hire bills submitted by different branches. It allows the head office team to review, verify, approve, or disapprove hire bills that have already been approved at the branch level. Filtering by branch. To view hire bills for a specific branch, locate the Select Your Branch drop-down menu at the top of the page. Choose the branch you want to review. The list of hire bills for the selected branch will be displayed. Each hire bill is displayed in a tabular format. Let's go through the columns. Bill number, unique number assigned to each hire bill. Click to view full bill details. Vehicle number, the vehicle's registration number. Date, date of hire bill creation or issue. Branch name, the branch responsible for the hire bill. Vehicle name, the registered name of the hired vehicle. Vehicle type, type of vehicle involved. Company name, the company that hired or used the vehicle. Viewing hire bill details. To review the full details of a hire bill, click on the bill number or vehicle number to open a detailed view. Check all information, including billing details, items included in the hire, rates, and total charges. Additional charges, driver allowance, extra costs, etc. Deductions, material deductions, TDS, and other reductions. Final payable amount. If there are concerns, verify details with the relevant branch before approval. Approving or disapproving a hire bill. Once the bill is reviewed, you can take one of the following actions. Approving a hire bill. Click the Approval button. The system will mark the bill as approved, moving it forward for payment or record keeping. A confirmation message will appear. Disapproving a hire bill. Click the Disapproval button. Now next process is hire bills approval. Hire bills approval is the process where managers review and either approve or disapprove hire-related bills before they are sent for accounting and payment processing. This ensures accuracy and prevents errors in billing. To find a specific hire bill, use the search filters. Select Vehicle Code, choose a vehicle to view related hire bills. Search by criteria. Bill number, vehicle number, etc. Understanding the results table. After searching, the table will display the following details. Bill number, unique ID for each bill. Vehicle number, license plate or registration number. Date, when the bill was generated. Branch name, branch that processed the bill. Vehicle name, name or model of the hired vehicle. Vehicle type, type of vehicle. Company name, client or company billed for the hire. Approval button, click to approve the bill. Disapproval button, click to reject the bill. Reviewing bill details. Before approving or disapproving, click on the bill number or vehicle number to open the hire bills view page, which displays detailed information. Basic information. Date. Bill number. Party name. Branch name. Vehicle name. Vehicle type. Equipment code. Bill date. Billing breakdown. Data charges, driver's allowance. Additional charges. Total amount before deductions. Deductions. Material deductions. TDS, tax deducted at source. Amount after TDS. Maintenance charges. Other deductions. Final balance payable. Prepared by. Approving or disapproving a hire bill. Approving a higher bill. If all details are correct, click the Approve button. The system will confirm the approval. The bill is forwarded to the accounting department for processing. Disapproving a higher bill. If there are discrepancies, click the Disapprove button. Final steps. Once a bill is approved, it moves to accounting for final processing.
Delivery note. The delivery note, outward, is a document provided by the issuing party to receiving party that lists the items being delivered from the sender to the receiver. This document helps track goods dispatched from a branch. 2. Creating a new delivery note. Navigate to the Delivery Note section from the main menu. Click Add New. This will redirect you to the Delivery Note entry page. Enter required details. Company and branch details, auto-fetched by the system. Example, SRC Projects Private Ltd, BO Chennai. Select type. Choose the type of delivery, example branch or superior. To branch. Send through. Date. The system autofills the current date. 3. Adding items to the delivery note. Click Add Row to insert item details. Fill in the following fields for each item. Description, name of the item being delivered. Specification, additional details about the item. UOM, unit of measure, measurement unit, example, kg, piece. Delivery quantity, quantity of the item being delivered. Remarks, any special notes regarding the delivery. Delete row, if needed. If an item is mistakenly added, click Delete row to remove it. 4. Finalizing and submitting the delivery note. Click Submit to save the delivery note. Once submitted, the delivery note number is generated. The note appears on the main page for tracking. Viewing delivery notes. Click on a delivery note number to view detailed information. Printing the delivery note. The system provides an option to print the delivery note for records or further processing. Delivery note inward. Note inward tracks the items received at the branch or supplier side from the sender. For example, if laptops are delivered to a branch, the inward facility records their receipt, ensuring the correct items are received. Click on the delivery note number in the main page. The system will display the delivery note details, including delivery note number, date, date of delivery, sender name, the sender of the items, receiver branch, the location where the items are received, item details, list of items delivered. In the inward entry form, enter the following: received quantity, rec, quantity, enter the number of items received. Enter the balance quantity. Click Update to record the inward entry. Once updated, the stock will be recorded as inward in the system. The delivery note inward details can be viewed in reports.